Hey! Here are today's tips to help you be prepared for a sinking car escape. Enjoy! Tip 1. As soon as you hit the water, unfasten your seatbelt and roll down the window. Tip 2. If you can't open the window, break the glass. Aim for the edge of the glass on the door window, not the windscreen, as it's the weakest point and will break easier. Use your foot or any sharp object, such as the headrest prongs. Carrying one of these tools could be a lifesaver. Tip 3. Get out before the car is submerged. Air will quickly be forced out of the vehicle, and air bubbles are unlikely to remain once your car hits the bottom. It may even turn upside down. As long as you've opened the window and allowed water to flow in and equalize the pressure, you can push the door open at this stage and still escape by following the air bubbles to the surface. Don't wait for a crisis. Know what to do before it happens. Subscribe to get more great survival tips. Stay safe.